Welcome students in this my YouTube channel. Now we are in the chapter of electrochemistry, and dear students, as in continuation with that chapter, now in this our lecture we are going to see the next point, that is relation between K and lambda. All of you know that K and lambda. Now its relation we are going to see relation between K and lambda. What do you mean by K? K is nothing but the conductivity and lambda is nothing but the molar conductivity. Now how we can define K? Now students, K is the electrical conductance of 1 centimeter cube, that is 1 ml of solution. If V is the volume of solution in cm cube, then the solution containing 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte, its electrical conductance is lambda. This is nothing but what we can say lambda. Means if V is the volume of solution in cm cube containing 1 cm cube containing an electrolyte, then 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte. For that we can consider its electrical conductance will be this much, that is lambda. Now students, each 1 ml portion, means whenever we are considering a solution in a beaker, each 1 ml portion of that liquid, that considered part is nothing but what we can say 1 centimeter cube, or we can say 1 ml. V has a conductance K. Its conductance we are saying is nothing but small k, and hence the total conductance of V cm cube is K into V. This is nothing but what we can say the total conductance of V cm cube. Total conductance of V cm cube means V ml, in the sense we are assuming this total solution is nothing but a V cm cube. Means instead of that V we can put any number, means 100 cm cube means 100 ml, it becomes 100 ml like that. So this is nothing but what we can say the value for total conductance, that is V cm cube, is nothing but K into V, and this is nothing but what we can say molar conductance. Now students, molar conductance is nothing but 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte, its electrical conductance that we are going to say is nothing but lambda. So this is nothing but what we can say the value of lambda, that lambda is equal to K into V. So this is the equation for it. Now students, after that we are going to substitute. This equation we are calling it as the equation number 1, and if we look at the concentration of solution, that concentration we are measuring in terms of C, and if you want to determine the volume for it, then we can say that concentration of solution is nothing but we can say C mole per liter. This is the unit of that concentration, and if you look at, if you want to calculate that concentration in terms of mole per cm cube, then what we have to do? We have to divide that term by 1000. Then we can say that mole into cm cube, or we can define it mole into cm raised to minus 3. Instead of that we can write mole this or this, mole per cm cube, like that. Means in two way we can write either or, that we have to write that its unit. So this is nothing but what I can say, the concentration. And students, all of you know that volume, if you want to determine the volume, then volume is the reciprocal of that concentration. Or if you want to define, concentration is the reciprocal of that volume. Both are inversely proportional to each other. So this equation we can modify into V, then it becomes V is equal to 1 upon concentration. So we have to put all the terms in this equation, then its equation becomes 1000 divided by C. 1000 divided by C. Why? Because the value of concentration we have inversed it. So we will get that equation, and the unit of that equation becomes Cm cube into mole raised to minus 1, opposite to this. Means we are calculated the volume V is nothing but inverse of concentration, and we have substituted this value, that is concentration of solution here, it becomes 1000 divided by C. As we know that we have determined concentration like this, C divided by 1000, it becomes inverse of it. Its units also becomes inverse. So this is the volume that we have calculated. Now that value we have to substitute for the calculation of molar conductivity. Now the value of V here, this value, I am calculating this as the equation number 2. We have to substitute the value of equation number 2 in this equation. Then we are getting the another equation for it, which is nothing but, as we already written, lambda is equal to K into V. Here we can substitute the value of V for the volume which we have already determined in equation number 2. So this equation becomes K into, what is the value of V? It is nothing but 1000 divided by C. So this is nothing but what we can say, the equation for, or we can say, molar conductance for a electrolyte. So this is the final equation that we have got. This equation I am calling it as the equation number 3. So this is the final equation for relation between conductivity and molar conductivity. That is relation between K and lambda. Now students, on this equation we will get number of problems, and these types of problems are very important for your board examinations, and in some JEE, NEET and CET examinations also some problems you will notice that which are based on the relation between K and lambda. Now students, one of the problem which is based on this relation between K and lambda, that now we are going to consider, and we will solve here. So the relation between K and lambda that we already see here. Now after that we will go for one of the problem. Now the question will be asked in your examination will be like this: the molar conductivity of of 0.05 molar BaCl2 solution at 25 degrees Celsius is 223 ohm inverse. This is the value of molar conductivity, centimeter square mole raised to -1 This is the unit of lambda, and the conductivity that now we are going to calculate. What is its conductivity? What is its conductivity? Now this problem you have to solve. This is one of the problem that now we are going to solve. Again, I will repeat this problem. The molar conductivity means lambda of this much concentration of that solution is given, barium chloride. The concentration of that solution will be 0.05 molar solution. At temperature they are given is 25 degrees Celsius, and it will be this much. This is the value for what we can say lambda. Now what we are going to calculate is nothing but the conductivity K, that we are now we are going to calculate. And already we have derived that equation for it. Is by using that by using that equation we have to solve this equation, given equation problem. Now students, that formula we have to write here. Lambda is equal to 1000 into K divided by C. This is the relation between what we can say conductivity and molar conductivity. Now students, by using this formula we have to solve this problem. Now the solution we are going to see. This is the formula, and by looking at that formula we have to write what they are given. Means you have to write the given quantities. The value for lambda they already given is nothing but 223 ohm inverse centimeter square mole raised to -1. So this is the value for lambda they have provided, and according to that what you have to calculate is nothing but K. Now the value for C also they have provided is nothing but 0.05 molar. This is the concentration of 0.05 molar concentration of BaCl2 solution. So all these are the quantities they are given, and according to that you have to calculate the value for K. Now students, all these quantities we are going to substitute in the above equation, so you will get the proper answer for it. Take 1000 as it is into K. Now students, K that we are now we are going to calculate is nothing but the conductivity. C they have provided in the given 0.05 molar concentration, and the value for lambda again they have provided is nothing but 223. Now we have to make some modifications here by rearranging this equation into K. Then we can calculate the value for conductivity K. Now students, write K as it is here. Write 223 and take this 0.05 at the left hand side. Then it becomes multiplied to this quantity 0.05 divided by 1000, because this 1000 is multiplied here. When it comes to this side it becomes divided. So this is the 1000. Now students, this is the modification that we have made. Now after that what you have to do is nothing but to calculate this, or you have to solve this term by using log table. Simply take number log here 223 and 0.05, take their corresponding logs and subtract its value from 1000, then you will get the proper answer. Now students, after calculating all these quantities you will get the answer 0.0111, like this value you will get. ohm inverse centimeter raised to -1. Ohm inverse centimeter raised to -1. This is the unit for K. So this is the solution of this problem, and by using log table we can calculate this value for K, and after we have to write its value in after making this decimal point you have to go for 4 digits. This is the proper answer that in your board examination they will ask. So all of you should remember this point. So this is the method of what I can say the calculation of calculation of conductivity. Sorry, according by the value of molar conductivity. So this is the relation for lambda and K and the problems which are based on it. This is a sample problem which we have taken for your understanding. So likewise there are number of numericals are there that you have to take for the practice and solve it. Thank you very much.